Okay, rice cake machine SYP4509. Round shape, 45 diameter, and production of 9 pieces. Titan coated mold, switch box separated, CE for Georgia. Great. Great. Okay. Very good. Temperature controller. This is set to present temperature 260. 4 switches and 3 dial controllers. Speed 4.7. Thickness 50. Depth of 4 is 2.2 as the first setting. And pressure around 150 in black color number in pressure gauge. To set or check the pressure, we had better close pressure gauge to use longer. Okay, that's the emergency button here. 3-cylinder valve that provide electric signal to the machine. The light is moving as per the load movement. And standard cylinder there, and pressure valve below the cylinder. 3-phase motor and pump. Oil tank and fan. Fan must be on all the time during the motion working. It's white rice and brown rice meat. It's a feeding plate, a long one. There's a proxy sensor there. The feeding plate go forward, it's turn off. The feeding plate come back to the end, it turn on again. Otherwise you cannot go to the next step. 2 springs is the feeding plate that bring back. And drive motor and gear head, the feeding plate go forward. That's the oil valve, check valve, and relief valve. Relief valve related with the pressure control. Insert the electric wrench, clockwise increase pressure, unclockwise decrease pressure. Aluminum block here, the cylinder 3-cylinder valves, motor and oil tank. Okay. And control box here is the inverter at 6060 Hz. And SSR is the help the temperature stable. Breaker and contactor. Relays on PCB. PCB is the brain of this machine. And transformer here. Oil tank. The inside hydraulic oil 20 liters inside. Yeah, good. Oh, nice. Very nice. 네, 마무리.